Hello friends, in the present video we will understand difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. This is the very important topic as far as the exams are concerned. So we must understand differences as well as relevance, that is relationship between these two branches of accounting, right? So we'll start understanding. Financial accounting and cost accounting are two different branches of accounting. Each is having its own objectives, relevance, significance, functions, advantages, and limitations. Right? Cost accounting source its data entirely from financial accounting. So basically, you must understand cost accounting will get the information basically from the financial accounting. Even we can understand here, cost accounting is also considered as a branch of management accounting. Even so, I have already made one video based on difference between financial accounting and management accounting. The link I will share you in the description box as well as in the end screen as well as in the I button. You can watch that video for better understanding. Right. So either it may be financial cost accounting or management accounting. The primary source of data will be the financial accounting for all these two branches. Right. That you must bear in mind. When you come to the definitions, just explanation I have given, not exact definitions. So, financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of recording revenues, expenses, assets, and liabilities, which are generally connected with the running of business enterprise on day-to-day basis. Whereas the cost account is concerned with cost information in any form which is useful to manager in ascertaining, classifying, recording and analyzing the cost data. For what sake? For reducing the cost and controlling the cost. Besides making intelligent decisions. In the sense what? The basic primary objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of the product or service and analyze, classify, record the cost data. For what sake? To reduce and control the cost as well as making intelligent decisions by the managers. Right. So this is precisely the definitions we can say for cost accounting and financial accounting. Further, we'll understand the difference. When you come to the differences, here I have made a table that is basis, then financial accounting, then cost accounting. So, purpose. What is the objective and purpose of financial accounting? When you see the purpose of financial accounting, its objective is to record all the financial transactions, keep the data of all the financial transactions. Whereas cost accounting is refers to ascertaining the cost of product or service to reduce and control cost. This is the most important purpose, that is reduction and controlling the cost. Everybody wants to control the cost, of course. The users who use this data, the financial accounting data users are external users such as investors, stakeholders, creditors, government authorities and other interested parties in the business, that is external. Whereas the cost data is used by internal users like top management, departmental heads, employees of the organization to make clever or intelligent decision based on the information. Whereas the data is concerned, the historical data and past data, past information is concerned with historical data and past information. In the sense, whatever happened that will be recorded in financial accounting. Whereas, in case of cost accounting, whatever happened will also be recorded. Besides, we will also consider the past data for future estimates and future budgeting and all. So that's the reason why cost data is both past as well as future estimates. Period. So as you are already aware, financial accounting is prepared for a particular financial year, whereas the preparation of cost accounting is as per the need and requirement of the organization. It may be daily, it may be weekly, it may be monthly, anyway, right? So this is the period of data. Next, requirement. When you come to the requirement, preparation is statutory, compulsory as per the Companies Act, Income Tax Act, other government authorities or agencies. Whereas the cost accounting preparation is purely optional as per the need and requirement of the users, not mandatory. So these are the few differences, and we will understand some more differences. Standards. When you come to the standards, financial accounting will use standards such as accounting standards, gaps, other statutory laws will be used in preparation of financial accounting. Whereas, with regards to cost accounting is concerned, not governed and bound by any standard, and preparation of reports as per the requirement of the users. There is no specific standards. So, this is also one of the limitations of cost accounting that we have already discussed in earlier videos. Preparation of statements. When you come to the preparation of statement, here profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement of general statements will be prepared with the help of financial accounting data. Whereas the cost accounting is concerned, any report used for decision making like cost sheet is the most important sheet or data we will be arranging to ascertain the cost of the product, as well as tenders and quotations. When you wanted to take the tenders and quotations, that is associated the future estimates and budgets, right? So this data will be used to prepare cost sheet and tenders and quotations for decision making, whereas financial data is used for preparing profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Then publications. The publication of financial data is mandatory for the external users like shareholders, general public, and it will be audited by external auditors even. Whereas statements are not made for only made for internal users, not allowed to be published and audited. So these are the basic differences that we have analyzed and understood in this video, right? So I hope I made you clear the difference and relevance between cost accounting and financial accounting. So you can easily understand. If you listen this video, you can easily write. Clear? So I hope I made you clear. And other videos regarding what is cost accounting and what is the definitions of cost, costing, and cost accounting is already made. Those videos links I will share you in the I button, as well as in the end screen, as well as in the description box even I will try to add, right? So thank you very much for watching the video. Please uh, do subscribe my channel Mentor the Trusted Guide, and please bear in mind the objective is this channel is to provide quality content to the students who are pursuing their education. Not only in the field of commerce, I am trying to add more subjects even besides accounting, finance and commerce. I will be adding more subjects, right? So please do subscribe to this channel and motivate me to make more qualitative videos. Thank you very much.